Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to find Etsy trending products. Finding trending products on Etsy is really simple. First thing is head over to the site and log into your account. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. The first thing that I will recommend, you do choose the product category that you want to buy. If you click on the option category, below you will see all the categories in Etsy: accessories, art and collectibles, baby's bag and purses. So here, choose the product category that you want to buy, just like I'll select clothing. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see all the clothes that you can buy from Etsy. Now, how can you check these are trending or not? For this, we have two things. Here you can see the icon of all filters. Click on it, and here you can see Etsy Best. If I click on the option Etsy Pick and click on Apply, then Etsy will apply a filter by which Etsy will show you that shirts, which are on trending and are really good with the help of customer reviews. Here you can also check Star Seller. It means the quality of this seller is really good, and these are the trending things because it's picked by Etsy. Now another way of checking trending product is click on the option All Filter. And here also check this one and click on the option Apply. Then both filters will be applied, means Etsy Pick and Star Seller. Then here you will see all the items which are picked by Etsy, and the recommended seller is really good in selling their product, and also there is high chance these things are trending. Because there is no direct way by which you can check trending products on Etsy, and these are the ways by which you can check trending products on Etsy.